So far, we have learned about a list, right? There is a one more sequence is that is called as a tuple. We can have a collection of the item in a tuples also. How these tuples will be? For example, same example if I take, okay, name and age. If I take, just I will copy paste this one. Will not write again. Time will consume. So you will take a tuple. We'll discuss about a tuple. When it comes to the tuple, it allow duplicate. It is ordered also, okay, but we will not be able to change anything. Okay, we will not be able to change anything. That is a tuple. And how we write a tuple? It should be in a round bracket. Okay, it should be in a round bracket. If you take a collection of item in a round bracket, parenthesis what we say, then it will become a tuple. Even we can use a constructor called as a tuple. Okay, constructor called as a tuple, and again it has to be in a round bracket. Okay, it should be in a round bracket. This is called as a tuple constructor. Okay, same thing. Concept is similar. Like list we are writing in a square bracket, tuple we are writing in a round bracket. That is the only changes. Second thing, it allow duplicate ordered everything, but will not be able to change directly. Okay, we will not be able to change anything. Like if I execute now, you can see print name. Okay, it will be in a square, not in a square bracket, round bracket. Now if I say print type of that tuple age, it says tuple, right? This is a tuple, right? This is a tuple. And just for example, if I try to make like name dot sort, the sort was a function which is there in a list. If I try to do that, it says that tuple object has no attribute called as a sort. Means sort function is not there in a tuple. Tuple has only two things. One is a count. Okay, one is a count. Count is nothing but like I just want to count that how many manju is there. Not nanju, manju. Okay, it will count, that will be common. And we have a index, right? Index is where exactly the manju is located. We can check that one. Okay, where exactly the this particular person is located, we can check that one. Okay, tuple can be count how many items are there, or we can count like index also we can find. These are the two common thing between them. And one more thing common is that we can slice also. Name, I can say third index, who is that, third to last. Okay, all we will get. Or we can get the like first to the fourth. Okay, like this we can slice. Okay, slicing is allowed. Okay, three things which is common here. We can uh, take a this one, what we say, slicing can be done. The second thing, we can count, is there any duplicate items are there or not. We can locate where exactly the particular item is there by using index. And if I like to check that length of particular tuple, we can say length function we can use. You just want to print that, print. Okay, the difference is, if you just execute that, it will be output, means it will compile, and it has not been printed. When I say print, it just show the output in a printing way. That is the one thing. And in case I just need to add a power to the name, okay, how can we add? There is no function called as a append, like name dot append. If I try to use, okay, it will give the error that append is not there. Or I cannot be insert also. Okay, insert, I say at a second location, if I say, it is also not there. Right, insert also not there. Insert, it may be a spelling also correct also will not be having, right? It is not there. So how to do that one? Okay, I need to append something, or I need to do some changes in my tuple. How to do that? First, what we need to do, I say name. I convert that into list first by taking a list constructor. I will period that name. Okay, now what happened? We have been converted into the list. Okay, we converted into list. This is the casting we already learned, right? Converting from float to number, number to integer, like this is called as a casting. First, I have been converted into list. Then I can do that name list. Okay, I will take that name list dot append. Now I will do the like things what we require. Okay, now we have been appended. Okay, now once again I need to convert back that into the name again. So name equal to, I just say now, tuple. I will convert that list into the tuple, that name list into the tuple. Now if you print that name, you can see it's in a tuple only, but power is added. The any changes, anything, it can be removing, popping, or extending, anything you would like to do on a this one, like a recasting to be done. Anything to be done, modification to be done on a tuple, okay, because it is not be able to change, unchangeable it is. Okay, because of that, what we need to do? First, we need to cast into the list. Okay, we say list of the name, we convert that into list, and we stored in a variable called as a name list. And for that variable, newly created variable, we appended a thing, or you can remove whatever you would like to do, you can do that. Whatever it is available for the list, you can do that one. Okay, then again I need to convert it back. So I say name, the original one only I am just reassigning. Okay, I say name to be changed by taking a tuple of the name list. Already it is in a list format. We will take the tuple, we will construct on a tuple, so that we'll get a tuple. Okay, this is how any changes or modification can be done in a tuple. Okay, the last one more thing we have, can we add two tuples? Yes, as it is name age we have, we can add two things, name plus age. Okay, tuples can be added, tuples can be added. Now if I print name age, you can see pawan is already added here, that's the reason. Then tuple can be added. Okay, tuple can be added, tuple can be counted, indexing, slicing we can do, but we'll not be able to do anything which is available in a list. So we need to first convert to list, then do whatever you like to do it on that particular list. Again, convert that list into the tuple and store it in a original name. Okay, original only, whatever the name you have, age is that age, like this. Okay, so this is how the tuple will work. Okay, in the next session we will come up with a new topic, sets or dictionaries.